Okay, this is the last part of chapter 1, and it has to do with order of operations in story problems. Now, in our intro video, I told you, ask yourself 2 questions. The first question is, what are you looking for? And then the second question is, does that answer make sense once you get it? So keep those in mind as we do this story problem. I want to go over this with you so that you guys can understand where everything is coming from, because you guys will have to do one on your own. So, Anne works part-time in a law office where she earns $20 per hour. The table shows the number of hours she worked last week. Simplify the expression, here it is, 6 plus 5 times 3 in parentheses times 20, to find out how much money Anne earned last week. Well, some of you guys are going to be like, awesome, I don't have to think because they gave me my expression. Yes, that's absolutely correct. If you see that right from the get-go, then you understand they've done the work for you. I still want to show you where everything comes from, because I think it'll make it easier when you have to do it on your own or when they don't give you that expression. So, looking at the expression, we see 6 plus 5 times 3. Well, over here at the table, which is where they got their expression from, 6, you see it happening 1 time, and then you see 5 happening 3 times. So we can gather that this 6 is Monday's hours of work, and then this 5 times 3 is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday's hours of work. So when we're doing this, we still have to use order of operations. We have parentheses, so we'll do that first. In those parentheses, we'll do exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract in that order. No exponents. Here's our multiply, so we'll do 15, drop everything else down that we haven't used. Now we're doing adding and subtracting, so we have 21. So this means she worked 21 hours last week. There's another way to do it. You can actually just add these up and then you know how many hours she worked last week. But using the expression, we can see that as well. Now, we've completed what's inside our parentheses. We know it's 21. Now, with 21, we are timesing it by 20. Why? Yes, she earns $20 an hour. So for every hour, and she worked 21 of them, she gets $20 an hour. So if you multiply it in your head, or if you do it on your calculator, you'll see that she earned $420 last week. Now, we need to ask ourselves, does that make sense? Would somebody earn $420 if they work part-time for $20 an hour? The answer is yes, so we don't have to go and double check and make sure we didn't make any mistakes. You guys are going to have to do one of these, and then that will be the end of Chapter 1, Section 1. Yay.